Hi! What you see here is my Raspberry Pi with its X100 expansion board, and I just today got a pair of these little serial communication radio modules. So I bolted that a bit tackily to the Raspberry Pi. It's just a test station anyways, doesn't have to be pretty. But that's hooked up to 5 volts, GND, and the RX and TX and UART. And what this allows me to do is that with the corresponding module and a dumb terminal, I can remotely manage and use the Raspberry Pi through its console with about 500 meters radius on these little antennas, which is not bad. So we're gonna power this up, and then we're gonna stroll away to the kitchen of all places. I'm actually gonna grab the light here so you can see where we're walking. And upstairs I got a computer running a serial terminal with the corresponding radio module, which I made into a little radio modem. And you can see the Raspberry Pi is booting here, and we're receiving a lot of data. Yes, it says ADSL splitter on it, but just a neat little box I had, and it happened to fit a DC barrel jack and a square power button. So we got the Raspberry Pi booting here into Raspbian. It's nothing fancy really. It's just a fun way of using the serial console on it. And I can IRC through this with just a dumb old terminal remotely, so that's quite neat actually. Which means that I can IRC in the garage, finally, when I'm doing stuff, because there is just no fucking way to get Wi-Fi in there. Because, yeah, it is possible, but not really practical. It takes a while for the Raspberry Pi to boot here. No, I don't know. Oh, here we go. Log in. You can see when I'm hitting the keys, we send out data. And we can go into IRC here. And I finally got that auto set to connect to channels. So it's now connecting to the IRC networks, and here we go. So that works really well actually. So yeah, that's basically it. I may do a update on this because I am thinking about buying a proper like late 70s dumb terminal. It's a clone of a DC VT100. I think it's made by Plessey Electronics or something like that. So that's that. Here's IRC. Nothing unusual. It's just it, really. So yeah, that's it. My little Raspberry Pi console radio link. This can be used for everything really. That includes just RxTX serial data. In the future, I'm most likely going to build the other side something like this, so I have a pair of like proper radio modems, so I can basically have them between two computers and run a wireless null modem. That would be quite neat. But I'll think about that. And yeah, that's it. Shut is shutting away here, and it sure works. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.